Wait. We got the Jolly Ball. There she is, right? Put my hand here. Oh, he's pointing. How lovely. Cole and his Jolly Ball. Come on, Coley! Good boy! Good boy! He's a happy boy. He's a happy boy. He's a happy boy. He's a happy boy. That's a good boy. Good boy, Coley. Good boy. That's a happy. You love your Jolly Ball. I know. Tail wag says it all. Says it all. He's just obsessed with these things. He can't wait to come to the barn just to play with the Jolly Ball. Yeah. And then he goes and looks for it. And it's either in the she shed or hidden under something or in the trailer, and he waits for me to open it. He can't wait to get in there and grab his Jolly Ball. Let me throw it for you again, Coley. Cole. Wait. Can I grab it? Be nice, okay? Can you sit? Can you sit? You're sitting on a hill. No. Can I have it? I got it. I got it. I got the Jolly Ball. Look at all the teeth marks in it already. Look at all this. Oh my goodness, Coley. He's ready to go. And we're gonna go throw it this way down the hill. Ready? Still ready. Woo! Good job, Coley! Happiest dog. Farm dogs. Good boy, Cole. Good boy, Cole. Good boy. He's a good boy. Happy dog. Happy dog, Mom. Happy dog, Mom. Hey. Then he chews sticks. Silly goose. He just is happy boy.